Haris bin Suwaid narrates that Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu was ill. So I visited him. He narrated two ahadith to us, one from his own self and one from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu gets more pleased at the patience of his bondsman than a man who goes to a deadly and desolate jungle along with his mount, loaded with food and drink. So he goes to sleep and then he wakes to find his mount gone. He keeps searching for his mount until he is overtaken by raging thirst. He then says, I should go back to the place where I was. I will go to sleep there until I die. He then lays down his head on his forearms and lies down to die. He later wakes and finds his mount beside him loaded with food and drink. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu gets more pleased at the repentance of a believing bondsman than that man's happiness at finding his mount and provisions. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6890.